activity from the team for you to try at home this week. Today we'll be using Play-Doh to talk about how we can stay connected and remember those who have died in our lives. You'll need 2 colors of Play-Doh for our activity. If you already have Play-Doh at home, you can use that, or you can make some homemade Play-Doh. Here's a quick tutorial of how to make your Play-Doh at home. You'll need 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of warm water, 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and food coloring. First, you're going to put your food coloring and your vegetable oil in your warm water. Then you'll put your flour and salt in the bowl and mix that together. Once mixed, you're going to add your water mixture to your flour and mix as much as you can. You might need some extra water in this at some point, just a couple drops. Usually it's easiest just to get your hands in there and start forming a ball. Start forming a ball as well as you can, adding extra water little by little if needed. Once it can turn into a ball, take it out of the bowl, dust your counter with a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick, and knead until it's the right consistency. Great, now that we all have our Play-Doh, there's so many different things we can do with it. A great place to start is just by sculpting your family or sculpting some of your favorite memories you have with the person who's died in your life. So this could be memories you've had together, memories of their favorite hobbies, memories of favorite vacations you took, any really big memories that come to your mind, you can start sculpting through Play-Doh. This is a really great thing to do as a family because you can see how everyone has different memories and talk about all the different memories that come up when you start sculpting about your person. So the main activity I want to do with both these colors of Play-Dohs is really about learning how to connect and how you'll always have a piece of the person who's died in your life. So the first thing I want you to do is pick which color is going to represent you. So I'm going to pick this red color to represent me, and I just want you to sculpt something, an object that represents you. This can be anything. You could try to make your own body or your own head, or you could make something that you just think represents you. Then I want you to take another color, take a piece of that, and make an object or sculpture, something that represents the person who's died in your life, okay? This could be, maybe you want to do the first letter of their name, or one of their hobbies, something they loved, anything that really pops in your mind and that really represents them. So now I want you to take your 2 objects you made, one that represents you and one represents the person that's died in your life, and I want you to create something with both of the colors. So maybe you're creating something that you love to do together or something that really represents the relationship that you had. I just want you to create something with both of the colors. I decided to make a heart with my 2 colors of Play-Doh. Now, I want you to look at your sculpture and look at the 2 colors. We can't separate them, can we? They're all together, and we can't pull some of the blue out without some of the red. They're all together. This is showing how you're always going to be connected with the person who's died in your life. They're always going to be a part of you. Just like you can always see the parts of both of these colors, you'll always have the relationship with your person will always be a part of you as you continue in life. And so Play-Doh is a great way not only to show this, but to remember all the different things you did with your person and all the ways you can remember them and continue to connect with them. I hope you enjoyed making your Play-Doh if you made it, and that you can play with it for the rest of the week. Thanks for being with us today. We know that being with grief feelings can be hard, especially if you're feeling alone. So remember to reach out to a caring adult or Kids Help phone, and join us next week for another brief grief activity. Thanks for watching.